How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Lavaca Cabin Couture. I am back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday. And if you're subscribed like you should be, then this model may sound familiar to you. You're very right, because I've showcased the Lavaca just a few weeks back. But due to popular demand, as soon as that video aired, the home was sold in less than 48 hours and hitting the road. So, if I know what the people want, then I'm going to give them what they need. So I'm back again today with the Lavaca with some minor tweaks that I have made due to the comments that you made from the first video. So with that said, the Lavaca is a 16-foot wide home, 58 feet long, including the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $127K. $127,000, you'll get everything that you see besides furniture and decor. And starting on the exterior, you'll see that it has James Hardy board and bat in a gale forest blue. We went ahead and added the cedar exterior trim in redwood stain to be exact. And we added that on your post, the tops of your railings, and your bottoms. And even follow me up onto the porch where you'll see the crow's foot beam has the cedar post as well. And as soon as you enter the front porch, you'll notice that the interior has a ceiling fan. We have 2 exterior can lights on each side. We have a front window here, which is different from the first model because we had the living room window placed here. So we made a little adjustment there, gave you a little bit more wall, which you'll see on the inside. And then on the decking, you'll see that we have the tortoise brown composite Trex decking. So 30 years of warranty. 30 years of warranty on your siding, 30 years on your black metal roof, and 30 years on your Trex decking. Now follow me inside to showcase what this home has to offer. As soon as you enter, this is why y'all love the Lavaca so much, is the fact that if you're wanting a cabin style and you do not want to downsize to 399 square feet, then this is the model. So as you see right here, as soon as you walk in, a focal point here in the living area is this built-in entertainment center. You'll see here, we even got the flames going today. So you'll see that we have the open bookshelves on each side. We have the 2 cabinet doors down at the bottom. We have the open face cubbies surrounding the fireplace. And this is, of course, electric, but it does put off heat as well. We have it already pre-prepped for a TV jack and outlet here on the main wall. And as you can see, we've added these accent of southern yellow pine stained in a hickory finish. The countertop going throughout the entire model is going to be fired steel as well. What I love is this front wall here, because with us making the transition and moving the living room wall from its original place over here, this gives you more light coming in on this side and even more decor space for your furniture on the opposite. You'll see that we have the Texas Star door. The outside of the door, if you was paying attention, was painted in iron gate, which is a more rustic, brown, darker tone. The inside, we left white to kind of open that airiness that you like. Also, you'll see that we have the small prismatic window above the front door. And then over here on the main living room side, you'll see that we created this chair rail going throughout the entire home, the wainscot as some call it, in southern yellow pine stained hickory as well. But this main living room wall has enough space that you can easily accommodate a much larger sofa than we've done so today. But we put a love seat in here just to give you an idea if you are a traditional tiny home person and you just need a little bit more space. Maybe it's an extra bedroom on the main floor without needing a loft. and you decided to go with this model, you can still bring the furniture and have even more space to utilize. Also, we have the centralized ceiling fan here. Of course, it's going because I need it today because it's a little over 100 degrees. And as you can tell, my voice is a little off, but guess what? It's Mr. Tiny. It's Single Section Sunday. I cannot miss a filming. So I'm here doing this to showcase such a great home for you guys because your support is what's needed. As you'll see here on the main wall, we have the 2 windows down below, 2 transom windows above that, and then even additional 2 more windows at the top. We've topped that off with the raised tower dormer here in Southern Yellow Pine accent. And from the first Lavaca, we just had the Southern Yellow Pine going up top. We did not include it on the sides of the tower dormer. Well, we listened to you, and guess what we've done? We've added that to the sides of the tower dormer for your convenience, just to pair everything together. Also, get a good look of this stock oak flooring going throughout the entire home. There's no carpet in this home. Ease of clean, ease of maintenance, great for pets, great for small children. We have this going throughout the home. Also, let's look at the functionality of the floor plan going from the living area into the kitchen, separated by this island, which you'll see here has a raised top, lowered section here for prep space, and then you have the serving area. So if you have breakfast, lunch, anything, you have the placement for the stools here. Notice the Southern Yellow Pine accent on the front side, just in case you ain't paying attention, as well as the sides of the island, and then the fired steel countertops up top, and we already have the USB outlets here, the traditional standard outlets as well, and then additional storage all right here on the front side where you have 3 cabinets, 3 drawers, plenty of storage galore in this Lavaca. We have the full-size appliances that you'll see as well, side-by-side stainless steel fridge, ice in the door to be exact, additional storage up top. We've even added this Southern Yellow Pine soffit going around just to add that additional cabin aesthetic that we know that you love. Also, we have the hickory cabinets complementing the Southern Yellow Pine backsplash. We want to keep this a cabin, but also not overbearing. So we add the cabin aesthetics here and there, but also keep the traditional sheetrock in place to kind of have that mixture. So that way, this is somewhere that you could easily live primarily if you choose to. Also, we have the dishwasher, full-size dishwasher, might I add, down below in stainless steel, complementing the 1 basin farm sink in stainless steel with the detachable sprayer, window up above so you can look out onto your property accordingly. And then we have additional storage going around here all along the top with the hickory cabinets. We have the smooth top oven, we have the convection oven, as well as the microwave up top, 3 drawers right here just for additional items, and the built-in cabinetry here. Another feature that we chose to add in the Lavaca was in the first model, we just had the Southern Yellow Pine here as the backsplash. What we did in this one, we ran it all the way to the ceiling here in the kitchen. So it's just those little things that go a long way. So we want to make sure we're showing you that we're paying very close attention to detail and want you to realize when you purchase from us, you're getting a quality home that's well thought out. So with that said, we'll go right over to this area, which I would personally use as a dining area. You have this space here that you could easily put a table, have enough space for a few seats. You have the windows, so that way you can look out onto the property as you're getting your grub on. You've got that as well. And then you have the additional transoms up top, bringing in some additional natural light. So that gives you some options there. If you're not into that, this could also be a small, I would say, computer space. If you wanted to work from home, need a little area, you can put over here in the corner right here, just giving you options. Again, it's your home. You can do what you want. I'm just bringing the vision to life. Now follow me on back, and you'll see here, first door, we have the pantry. If that storage wasn't enough for you up front, we've thrown in additional pantry. 3 shelves in there, Southern Yellow Pine, real wood door in there for you as well as you see this Southern Yellow Pine trim going throughout. This is the real deal Holyfield. Leave the impersonation to the ones down the road. I'm just going to keep that to myself. We've also got the water heater in here for you. Again, comes standard with 40-gallon. You can upgrade if needed, but this does just fine for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Right here, you're going to see side-by-side washer and dryer area we have the additional space up above with the cabinetry, hidden hinges, might I add, just to keep it nice and neat. But we have that, so you don't have to worry about the stackables. Side by side here for your convenience. Right across, we have the second bedroom. This is a small bedroom. So this is for the people that are needing the second bedroom, whether you have a child and you need a nursery, you need a small room for them, works great. Or if you getting it for your home, getting it for yourself, I should say, and you need a space for your grandkids when they come over every now and then, perfect. You work from home, perfect. You've got all this here. You got hobbies, you like to sew, perfect. There you go. Everything that you can make possible in this extra space. That's why you just having that little extra goes a long way without having to be so overbearing with additional square footage that you do not need. So coming in right around 800 square feet makes this home a great option if you're currently in the market. Window right here off the side. You've got the ceiling fan centered. We have the bifold door right here leading into the closet where you have one shelf up top, rod down below, built-in dresser right there with the 4 drawers, fired steel countertop, and additional space up above where you can place a TV if you choose. Now follow me on out. Make our way on back. Behind this door, you're going to have your HVAC system, everything ready to go for you. So everything, as you notice, the vents are not in the floors. This ain't the manufactured homes you get down the street. We do it the right way, the way that you need it to be. The vents are in the ceiling to make it easy for furniture placement. You don't have to worry about stepping on or covering up a floor vent with the rug or with the couch. We take that out, so don't even worry about that. Also, right here in the hallway, we've got 3 additional cabinets. Why? Just because we want to. Just because we want to. That's just why. We ain't have to put nothing there, but we want to go ahead and throw something there just because. We have your second access here. You have the front door that's on the front porch. You have a side entry here where you can come in. You're dirty. You can come in right in from the outside and walk directly into the bathroom, which is situated right here. And so as you come in, you have your 2-door linen up above your toilet. You also have the fired steel countertop here. We added just a little accent here with the black tile, just keeping that the darker tone and some of that cabin style feel to go with the smokehouse tile that we have here in a vertical pattern. So this is the half wall with splash glass shower right here in the Lavaca. And you'll see the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. We went ahead and cut out for a transom window right here in the shower. You have your almond colored soap dishes right there in the corner. And then you have your faucet accordingly. So you got plenty of space and opportunity to get cleaned up right here in the Lavaca. And then we have the pocket door connecting from the bathroom into the bedroom. So you have 2 accesses into this bedroom as well. And as you come in, a great feature of this Lavaca is the fact that you can fit a king-size bed easily in this primary bedroom. And you'll see here the Southern Yellow Pine accent wall stained in hickory finish. So you'll see the 2 clear story windows. They're bringing in the natural light, but still allowing space for you to put in the headboard of your choice and your bed of choice down below, and you can take care of that as well. Also, if you wanted, you could also put your bed on this wall if that was your choice. Again, I'm just giving you options. You can do what you wish. I don't care if you put it in the middle of the room. I don't care. Do what you want. Just get a home that's built the right way for Mr. Tiny. But with that said, you're going to have all of this wall space, an additional window here just off the back to open up this back wall. And then you're going to have the double closets with the built-in dresser in between. So you've got the bifold doors on each side, which are going to allow some additional cabinetry space. You've got the wood shelf and rod in here, additional storage down below. It's going to be duplicated the same on the opposite side. And then the space up above, if you wanted to put decor or a TV, you have that option as well. But again, plenty of space. Notice the vaulted ceiling is going throughout. So that's going to open this space up and make it feel so much larger than this mid-sized cottage that I'm currently showing. But follow me back through and see how this opens up. You can get that long tunnel shot right here going all the way to the front. And this home is lovely. If you're currently in the market for a primary residence, a secondary residence, this home is checking all the boxes for you. I'm telling you. This is going to be it. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. It's right around 800 square feet. It is 16 feet wide by 58 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $127K. $127,000, you'll get everything that you saw today besides the furniture and decor. So if you enjoyed this video tour of the Lavaca Cabin Couture, let me know right now by hitting that thumbs up immediately. Hitting that thumbs up so that way this video can spread to plenty of people currently in the market. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed like you should be, then I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed and you're just watching the videos and showing no love, I still love you. I still love you because no matter what, Mr. Tiny is going to keep it positive. So please be positive and hit that subscribe button just to show some love for your boy. And with that said, also, if you want to contact me directly, you can run on over to Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Lavaca Cabin Couture as well as plenty of other homes directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.